Hi friends, this is one another model of pure electric vehicles. So this model is e-Pluto. So this comes in different colors. You have 6 colors in this Pluto range: red, white, purple, yellow, and black, gray. So all these colors are available. So coming to the special features of this Pluto, you have telescopic shock absorbers in the front with the disc brake and efficient disc brake, and you have alloy wheels. Along with that, you have even tubeless tires. So you can say that the front tire is 90 by 100 dimensions, and the rear tire you got 3 into 10 dimensions. And coming to the top speed of this vehicle, practically on road it will be between 35 to 40 kilometers per hour. But you have 3 modes. First mode you will have 25 kilometer per hour speed, top speed. Second mode you will be getting up to 30. Third mode you will be getting up to 35 to 40 kinds. So usually to get a very better mileage of the battery, so to get better battery output, it is always suggested to drive the vehicle between first and second mode. So if you talk about the vehicle as such, you have LED front light, and you have higher depot. So that LED front light is been given, which takes very less battery charging. So that is very efficient also. So apart from that, you have the side indicators, that is also LED. So side indicators. So that indicators are also of LED. If you come to the side, you have a properly stylish design, which is, you can say that there's a classic design of our old blended with Chetak and Vespa kind of design. So this has been very prominent in the market, and the market has got a very good appreciation for this design also. This and the weight of this vehicle is also means the Pluto. This is a low speed vehicle that is nearly 75 kgs approximately, so which is very easy to drive for our starting, even for children or for ladies. This has been recommended. If you talk about the motor is there fixed to the rear wheel directly. That is completely sealed motor. This is a 250 watt brushless hub motor. So this motor is being driven directly, means through the electric channel which comes from our battery. The battery is connected to the controller, and the controller connects to the motor. So you have a battery here. This battery is you have 1.8 kilowatt hour battery, which is 60 volts battery. So this battery can be charged directly from the means when it is being put in the vehicle, it can be charged directly. Or if you don't have option in the parking area, it is a detachable battery. You can detach the battery and take it to your house, and you can charge it directly. So to charging the battery, it will take around 3 to 3.5 hours for full charge. And this battery has got a very good customer feedback also, because it gives a very proper mileage also. And the customers, even though the company claims that the mileage is around 80 kilometers, so there are some customers who has even claimed 85 to 90 kilometers also for the full charge. So it's all depends upon how the customer actually drives the vehicle. And if you drive the vehicle in the mode 1 or mode 2, you will get a very excellent mileage also. So if you come to the foot mat, the design of the foot. Now we will come to the seat design also. Seat design also. The seat is comfortably designed for 2 people to sit comfortably. The seat has got a proper design, and the leg space is also very good. So for the people who actually drive, they have a better comfort. And you have a small front pocket space, so which is lockable, and you can put small items in that lock, this compartment. So you can put one of your documents or some papers or like that. So this can be lockable also. So all your any important things you can have that in that. And later, if you come to the rear side, you have like a regular scooter. You have everything here. So you have the brake light, you have the side indicators and everything, and even you can see a proper finishing of the total design. So the design is such a way that it is very pleasing to the customers. So you can see there is a cover and the fenders design and the back design are been very sophisticatedly done, and it is very pleasing to the eyes also. So coming to the engineering part of this, the chassis is tubular chassis which is there inside, and that is very properly designed, and it can take the weight up to 170 kgs. 170 kgs, and the center stand and the side stand, all the other regular features which has been required for the two-wheeler is been given. And I have already told about front shock absorbers. If you talk about the rear shock absorbers, the rear shock absorbers are of coil type, and that is adjustable coil type rear shock absorbers have been given here. So if you just coming to that dashboard of the vehicle, you have all the indicators. So you get an indicator of the battery charging, and you get an indicator of the odometer, and you get the indicator of all the sensors. So and later whichever the mode you are driving, it will show the speed. Now the vehicle is driving in the mode 1. The speed is up to 25 kilometers and on the road, and if you go to the mode 2, it will go up to 35, and if you go to the mode 3, you will go up to 40 kilometers approximately. So this is the low speed vehicle. So this variant has been given to the starters who wants to drive the two-wheeler, and those for the college people or for neighborhood works and everything. So as this is termed as a low speed vehicle, there is no need of registration for this vehicle. It has been ICAT approved. So ICAT approved. So you can see the back plate behind it. So it is an ICAT approved vehicle for the low speed. So there is no need of registration for this vehicle. Coming to the customer reviews of the last 7 to 8 months. So we at Borra Marketing Solutions, we have sold nearly 180 scooters till date. So the customers reviews are at you can say 5 out of 5 for this vehicle, and mostly the fathers are happy in gifting this vehicle to their children, and all the school college going and school going children, and the working ladies all are happy to drive this. And the other usage is, if you want to have a vehicle in your house as a substitute vehicle for doing the neighborhood work, this is an excellent vehicle. So this is from Pure EV. This is regarding e-Pluto. The price of the vehicle has been properly put in the market. So the ex-showroom price of Pluto is 70,499 rupees. So if you add on all the other accessories, handling charges and other insurance and everything, you will get the vehicle around 78,000 rupees on road. So means in the accessories, all the dealers are giving all the accessories from helmet to helmet lock, foot mat, floor mat. Different types of accessories are there, like helmet lock, safeguard, seat cover, luggage holder, foot mat, mud flap, mirror set, gab rail set, pillion footrest, right hand footrest, and toolkit also. So, and company is also providing a vehicle cover which is at an extra cost, so of around 800 rupees. So that is optional. Depending upon the customer, you can take that. Thank you very much.